What is going on, guys? This is Aaron Foster here, and today we are under a tornado warning today. Get in the darn house! Hopefully you're being very hard. Okay. The wind is supposed to be 60 miles per hour tonight.
Yeah.
Up to 60 miles per hour. Alright. So.
Tornadoes are going off again.
Alright, so guys, here, I'll show you guys proof. Proof. Warning, everybody! Warning!
There's people skirting down the highways now. Like, I saw that person, like, going really fast with the car. Is that my iPod? Give me my... Let me have my iPod.
Here, we're gonna show them proof.
This is mine. Oh my god. Freaking Oakley.
Alright, so guys.
We are under a tornado warning.
Hey, look. Press on it.
Colton, I know what to do.
Look.
I'm not stupid.
3.
Yeah, there's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Tornado warning?
2 tornado warnings. I'm shaking right now because it's cold and it's scary. This is terrifying. This is not good.
There's a tornado!
I could have had my very own homemade tornado sign with me, guys. I am tired. I want to go to bed. But I have to record this. Oh. This is scary.
Alright, and I'm looking toward the house.
We're lucky that we're all the way over here.
Hey, no, it's coming to... Hey, no, there's one in Shepherdsville.
There's one in the middle of Shepherdsville, which means we are in the middle of Shepherdsville.
Yeah, so... It's going to be one in the middle of Shepherdsville, so... This is going to be an experience for us.
35 miles per hour winds. Damage to roofs? Colton, come here. Come here.
Okay.
There's going to be flying debris.
Okay.
With mobile homes will be completely destroyed in Shepherdsville.
Mobile homes?
And roofs will be torn off with cars thrown in the air.
Hey, we're gonna have to we're gonna have to latch our car on the ground. Oh my god.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
I'm gonna call Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, this is terrifying. I can feel the wind picking up now. Oh yeah, the wind is picking up. Nathan McGough, if you're watching my YouTube channel right now, do you have a tornado warning at your house? Let me know in the comments.
So, guys, we're gonna need some supplies. We got a lantern here, so like, if the power goes out, we can use it.
What was that?
Okay. Now, second of all, it's raining hard.
Oh.
Okay, it's coming. It's really coming.
Oh, it's really coming now.
Oh, we're gonna need help.
It's still going off.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here and call Daddy. So, okay, go call Daddy. Yeah. Okay, we gotta get our phones all charging it now.
Oh my goodness. Okay, where's the tornado located at?
Alright, guys, let's get our phones all charged. Okay. We gotta...
Oh my god. There's one right here. A tornado really... You see this? This is a swirl.
Okay.
There's a line of thunderstorms heading right our way.
Come on, we gotta go. Alright.
Look at this, guys. There's a tornado right there. Yeah, that's definitely a tornado. Radcliffe is right there. That's where one of my cousins live. Radcliffe. And we are right here. Wait, I want to. Okay, hold on. Oh boy, this is not a good thing. Okay, let me go back outside. Oh, it's picking up now. So guys, they say that the wind will get up to 60 miles per hour, guys. And I'm sorry that I'm really shaky right now. It's also really cold out here. It's like 40 degrees. That's why I'm shaking. But the wind and rain is starting to pick up now since the tornado sign just wouldn't stop going. I'm shaking right now. It's cold and it's terrifying. Oh my god, there's all of them going around. Okay, hold on. I have to. Okay. So, I've been through a lot of tornado warnings. You've been through tornado watches, tornado warnings, and severe thunderstorms, guys. But yeah, lock up the doors.
We're putting on the extra lock.
Hopefully the doors don't bust in, because they say that there will be broken windows, roofs torn off, and
Hey, it's alright. I know how to solve this problem.
and
Please
cars
don't do it.
thrown in the air. There will be one very close. There will be one in that forest over there. They say that there will be one really close to us, like only 1 mile away.
Hey, are you sure? Because there's two of them. It's gonna get-
There's 2 tornadoes. One is gonna be like maybe 5 miles away, and the other will be 10 miles away. Then the 5 mile, the one that
That's not true. It's gonna be right at Louisville.
light. Okay,
Right at Louisville in the middle of Shepherdsville.
so there's one in
Where?
Louisville, guys, and there's one in Shepherdsville. This is not okay.
Alright, Mommy,
Hopefully one does not
Mommy, I'll lock
come.
the door securely. Okay. Yeah, see. Lock it securely.
Why is my light on? Oh, we got walkie-talkies. In case of we lose power. But guys, the wind tonight will be really strong. Oh, they're going off again. They just stopped and now they're going off again. Yeah, there's not like the tornado sirens that just go like that. There's like all around. They just go. They spin around, not like the other tornado sirens that you guys usually see.
We're gonna need this with us. So, like, we're gonna need this with us.
Oh my God! 2 warnings. Look, Colton. Look. See right there? 2. We got more. We got more warnings.
Okay.
Oh dear Lord.
Come on.
I have to open this.
Good. We gotta go and do it. Okay. Checking the weather.
Weather channel. Where is it?
Okay.
Tornado. We're still on. Wait, what's the wind right now?
One right now is
Yes, it's probably like around 14 miles per hour.
hey, that ain't true. Alright, so it's supposed to get rainy.
The wind is 12 miles per hour right now. It's not a good thing because the wind is actually picking up now. And they say that the wind will be up to 60 miles per hour. The wind gust will be up to 60.
The wind right now is 12 miles per hour.
Yeah, that's what I just said, Colton.
You said 14. Okay, the signs are still on. I'm just locking everything up. So we can.
Yeah, shut up.
Okay. Yeah.
Yo. I have to go outside and see.
And the extra lock. Remember?
Whoa! Dude! Oh shit! Is there a tornado? There's a tornado really close to us. What?
it again. Come on.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.